Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, apologies, do I look a bit weird? I came in to film the shave and the bathroom mirror fell off and smashed. It was carnage. I've been tidying up. I've hooked up the phone. There's nothing to hold the phone up now while I record the video, so I've hooked it up on an old selfie stick that's held together with sellotape and masking tape and bits of glue. So here we go. Another edit. Let me empty this. It's going to be another edit in one of John's shaves today. We've got a good one lined up for you today, but I wanted to show you this. First of all, there you go. That is, can you see it? Thrown in stone space scuttle. Thrown in stone shave scuttle. Absolutely beautiful. You put boiling hot water in there. It holds it, you make your lather, you get a lovely warm wet lather. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the lather in there, now I'm going to put the soap in there, I'm going to put the hot water in there, and then we'll come back and talk about the shave. And we're back. How's it going? Here you go, look, there you go, can you see? A little bit of hot water in there. I've put the shaving soap in there. There's not a lot, I want to use this sparingly. Today's shave is not the shave I had planned. Not the shave I had planned. We'll talk about that a little bit later on. Brian Moore, thank you very much, Brian. Brian sent me this wonderful sample. There you go. Absolutely wonderful. Oh, it smells fantastic, guys. The whole bathroom smells like Creed Aventus. There you go. Declaration Grooming. Sellout. We've got the old Tabaletti. Declaration Grooming, Sellout here, diddly dee. It says here, it smells like a scent that rhymes with Schmaventus, but is in no way affiliated with any other brand. There's good stuff in this, guys. Good stuff. I'll just very briefly read you some of the ingredients here. Bison tallow, mango butter, avocado oil, shea butter, lanolin, yogurt, buttermilk, coconut milk, goat's milk, and tachyferyl acetate. Okay, it's good stuff. Right, so first off, we'll get some water. The official John shaves. I'm all at 6s and 7s, guys. Honestly, that thing just falling off really threw me. The brush we're going to be using, this was sent to me by Reed, the Lather Whipster Shave Kid. Go and check out his channel. Got some good stuff on the go there. And Reed made that for me and sent it over. Thank you, Reed. We'll put that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. The balm is just an everyday generic balm. That was a sticker from Carve. This is Boots balm. It came in that lovely glass bottle. I just stuck that on it for a thumbnail. I think no Carve shave or something. That's that. And here we've got Copycat fragrances. This smells like Aventus, guys. This is indistinguishable from Aventus at what? A fifth the price. There you go. And they had a 2-for-1 offer on, and I got that for something like £30 odd, and it's fantastic. So we got that. It'll go with the Sellout. The razor, Mark Davis. Check this out. Giesen&Forsthoff. I don't know if you can see it, but it's written laser etched, I think, on the bottom of the razor. Absolutely beautiful razor. I like this head on this razor. Can you see there? It says, let's see if I can get it the right way up. Made in Germany. It says that. Oh yes, it says it on the inside, the top cap as well. Made in Germany. And what are we putting in that? Woo! Excitement of excitement. Check this out, guys. TATARA double-edge safety razor blades. Let's get it. I'll show you that way as well. Okay, it comes in an absolute lovely little cardboard tuck. Opens up there. I haven't seen these myself yet. Let's go. Look, so you're seeing them as I am seeing them. We'll put that down there. Look, can you see it there? My camera may not be picking it up. I'll show you the back there, TATARA. It says TATARA Swedish stainless steel. and then TATARA on the back. We'll open them. Look at this. Look, double wrapped. I know that matters to a lot of people, and I suppose it does show a sign that they care about their product, that they wrapped it twice. Okay, and there you go. It comes in like a little sleeve. And have a look at the blade. It says there, I don't know if you can see it laser etched. I'll try and get it so the light hits it right, but it says TATARA platinum coated blade. There you go. And we're going to be putting that in here. The reason I chose these blades is because they came this afternoon in the post. I didn't think they were going to come until next week, but this is a mild razor, so I wanted a blade that would take it up a notch, and these I think they've been likened to feather blades, so we're going to have a look. Yeah, I'm not expecting great things. It's very anxious. Is that sitting right? Yeah, there is not, if you look at that, guys, look, there is not much blade there at all. Probably be a mild shave. So we're going to whip up what we're on. Look, 6 minutes. Let's have a do with the old thrown in stone scuttle. This was courtesy of Mr. Wickham, and he sent me this. From memory, I don't think I've used Declaration Grooming before, guys. I really don't. And as you know, I'm a face latherer. Look at this. Absolutely wonderful. Brian sent me a couple of other samples as well, which, well, next week, next Saturday, is my 500th video. And what better way to celebrate than with a bit of unashamed luxury. And thanks to Brian, that's what I'll be doing next Saturday. So tune in next Saturday. We're going to have a 500th video luxury shave. But look at this, guys. Now, you must forgive me. I'm going to have to use my phone as a mirror. I did toy with the idea of just trying to go and buy a mirror, set it up. There's nowhere to hang it. There is nowhere. It's a mirror, it's a window, and it's reset, and it's got a plastic frame about that wide, double glazed plastic frame that wide, all the way around it. The whole window is a pane of glass that opens out. So I don't know what I'm going to do. But this past couple of weeks, I had a few people say to me, we don't particularly like it. The videos don't come up now on a Friday night, not midnight. It's midnight here, Saturday videos. The minute it hits midnight, it goes up. But other parts in the world, it's 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night, and people like to sit and watch it. So here we go. Let's see how this. Wow. This, it's took it down, guys. These razor blades, they feel very sharp. They feel very sharp indeed. You can feel them cutting the hair. They also feel quite smooth as well. So please let me know. I'd be interested to try these in a TATARA Masamune. I'm going to look forward to trying them. You'll have to forgive me, I've not switched off notifications. I normally put my phone on flight mode, and I haven't done. So I'm getting WhatsApp alerts and text off PAA. You'll have to bear with me. There you go. Oh, that was a good first pass. Let me know what your shave of the day is. And let me know what your slurp of the day is. Mine, look. Hey, look at that. Jam Shed. Woo, see them? Bottle of Jam Shed in Asda's now £8. Right? They're £2 each. 4 of them is equal to 1 regular sized bottle of wine. Right, but if you buy 4, you get 1 for free, making a full regular sized bottle £6, not £8 if you buy it in the form of 4 of these. So that's what I did. Oh my word. Like, you know, all this information you guys get. All this soap is phenomenal. From memory, I don't think I've had a Declaration grooming soap. But this is very, 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 very slick. It smells fantastic. It's very, very fragrant. It's doing a wonderful job. The razor's gliding. This is a good, I don't know. I think I picked up Declaration grooming once and it was too rich for my blood. From memory, I may be wrong. I might be thinking of something else. But I think I remember I looked at it and over here, it's about £26, about $30 a tub. No, I can't. I can't justify it. I can't pay that. No. So like I said, let me know. There isn't a lot. We're at the weekend. It's Friday. I'll be going in there after. I'll be getting a shower. As always, I don't think I've used enough product. But it smells fantastic, guys. Third pass these TATARA blades in this gentle razor. It's actually called a gentle razor. But it's very efficient. It is. These blades feel fantastic. They really do feel good. Very sharp. Very smooth. And they're pretty good price as well, guys. I think I paid £4.50 for 15, but it was about £8 to get them shipped, but hey. The TATARA blades, aren't they? And they look pride of place. In my TATARA Masamune case now. I don't know if you remember, but I got a pack of razor blades and I got the TATARA logo and I slotted it in the pack of razor blades and I had it in there just because there was a space for them. Well, now it's going to have proper TATARA blades in it, isn't it? Here we go. Leather mittens. Good stuff, guys. There was not a lot of product there. There wasn't a lot of product there, but well, it smells fantastic. You know, do you ever get that thing? Do you ever come and do something and think you forgot something? I just can't help thinking I've forgotten something. And that is our smash mirror. Don't be a sellout. In from work. TATARA razor blade shave. And we'll do the lean-in a minute. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. Check this out. Wow, look at that. Hey? Mild razor and a TATARA blade. That is BBS. That is absolutely BBS. And here we go. Executive shaving. Woof. We'll get that on there. Do you know? That and that smell absolutely alike. You would think that was the EDP for that. You really, really would. And this, like I said, is a generic scentless balm. So we'll just get a bit of that on there. Not too much. I'm going to go in there and I'm going to have a shower later on. I've got some stuff to do. Oh, do you know, that is a combination made in heaven. That soap, which is, the scent of it has filled the whole bathroom. That splash, that razor, that was an absolute first class shave. Those are good blades. I'll be getting more of those blades. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. Look after yourselves. The storm has made life so miserable here today. I've been drenched about 4 times. The wind's blowing in here now. I don't know if that's had an effect on blowing my mirror off. I don't know. Maybe branches and trees flying about and so on. But hey, it's cold and dark out there, but it's warm and light in here, isn't it? So be the warmth and the light in the world and do something nice for somebody. Just because you're a nice person, and look after yourselves. Thanks for all your support. Thank you to Brian. Thank you to Steve D. Thank you for Mr. Wickham. Thank you to all of yous. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you on Wednesday for another instalment of Tubetober. Bye.